Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick battery change on an Emporio Armani watch. But there's a slight trick to this watch. You have to make sure that you know where the knife is supposed to be inserted. Now, there's a small area which you might not be able to see on the camera, but if you have the watch in front of you, you'll see that there's a small area that you can basically insert the knife in and with this motion lift it up. But since this will be on the other side, which is basically in your way to open this up, it might just end up scratching the back, and this scratch is very easy because this is all coating right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to do it and not end up scratching the watch. So you take your knife and you just make sure that you see the insertion right there. As soon as you see it, you just place your knife in without even adding any pressure to it. So just place it so that you know where exactly it goes. Once you have that, then put pressure on this wrist and make sure that you place your hand right on top so it doesn't go anywhere, and pop it open. See that? That's exactly how you gotta do it. This is a 377 and I think they use Aranda movement. Or it could be a Miyota. Actually, it is a Miyota. So it's a Japanese machine that they use, and it uses a 377. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just slightly use a sharp knife. This metal bar right here, or the tab, just slide it out this way and the battery pops right out. You don't have to insert anything here, so just slightly, just like that, and it pops right out. So we're gonna take a 377 and we're gonna put it, and we're gonna make sure first that the watch is working. So just slide that in here. Once you've done that, make sure that you do the same thing, slide the bar on this side and push it in. Now we're gonna make sure that the watch is working. Alright, good. So that's good. Now, a lot of times if you're doing this at home, you're gonna need the clamper tool, which is this guy right here. But how do you determine what size to place on the front and on the back without breaking the crystal or scratching it? So here's what I'm gonna tell you. You have to always, for the crystal, always get the bigger die, the bigger size that covers all areas. So this size is the bigger size which covers it from all ends, so it doesn't touch the crystal. So that's gonna be on the bottom where the crystal is going to be facing. We got that. And for the back, you have to make sure that it's the right size. It's not too big or too small. Should be very accurate on all sides. Make sure it's not bigger or smaller. So that's good for the back. And make sure that you see where that curve is for the stem. This will sit right on top of the stem. So this is the stem, this is that piece where it sits right on top, just like that. Just make sure, right there. So you see, I'm just lifting it up to make sure that the curve is right on top of the stem, because if not, you can damage your stem. Place it right underneath. Don't move it. Just snap it right on. Make sure it's turned. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to do it one more time. One more time. I probably should use the smaller size because it's a curved piece. So this is the smaller size. Use that. One more time. Alright, you got it this time. Alright, and it's working. Just set the right time and you're good to go. Thank you.